just so you didn't have to sleep? Or did you ever piss into the wind? And the pissing all over your tweet? You was looking so good in red. Or even though I'm a colorblind, you're like a great big sparkling jewel. Even when there ain't no dew to find, and you took my hand in yours. Or even though I ain't got no limbs, or you were diving head first to a brook. Or even though you never learned to swim. Hey, yeah, we all married at a boxing match. Or even though they never had a ring, and you hated every minute I day, which turned out to be your favorite thing. Oh, but you came along with me for the ride. Or even though we had no place to go, we're like trying to start a great big fire in a goddamn bucket of snow. Yeah,
it's true, I stole your money. I spent it on beer and friends. It's true, I stole your money, honey, and I spent it on cigarettes. It's true, I stole your money. I spent it on beer and friends. It's true, I stole your money, honey, and I spent it on cigarettes. Well, your purse, it was just lying there. What the hell was I supposed to do? Your purse, if you leave it lying around, honey, I got fucking things to do. And it's true, I stole your money. I spent it on beer and friends. It's true, I stole your money, honey, and I spent it on cigarettes. It's true, I stole your money. I spent it on beer and friends. It's true, I stole your money, honey, and I spent it on cigarettes. Nothing lazy son of a bitch. But I thought, hey, fuck it, living with you kinda earned it. I spent every fucking last cent. And it's true, I stole your money. I spent it on beer and friends. It's true, I stole your money, honey, and I spent it on cigarettes. It's true, I stole your money. I spent it on beer and friends. It's true, I stole your money, honey, and I spent it on cigarettes.
Otra.
Cuidado, no la abras, hijo de puta.
¡Cerveza! ¡Cerveza! ¡Un euro! ¡Un euro!
¡Quiero beber cerveza!
Dame 500 pesetas.
Cerveza fría.